Hello students, welcome to Daily English Homework. If you are watching me now, I want you to do this homework. We're going to talk about vocabulary. I'm going to give you 10 sentences, and in each sentence there's one, maybe two words missing, and you have to think of what is the best vocabulary to put in this sentence and then write it. So that's the homework. Fill in the blanks with acceptable vocabulary. Acceptable means the vocabulary can work. It does match the sentence. I'll talk about the sentences in a moment. After you watch this video and do the homework, post your homework in the comments section below. Again, you don't need to cheat. This is just for you trying to improve your vocabulary. If you choose some awkward vocabulary, no problem. This is where we learn. And of course, number 2 here, think about becoming a channel member to get detailed homework feedback. I hope this channel grows and gets more members so I can help everyone in the world with their homework. All right, let's look at the sentences. Number 1, so this is what I'm talking about. That red line is a blank. You got to fill it in. You got to write one. I prefer one word. But if you need 2 words is okay. 3 words, no. Maximum 2 words, but I prefer 1. So number 1 says, the sun is a blank star that provides warmth and light to our planet. Choose some awesome vocabulary there, write it. Number 2, Albert Einstein is widely regarded as a genius due to his blank work in physics. Think of a good word to put there. Number 3, in order to be successful in life, it's important to have a blank and work hard towards achieving it. Put 1 or 2 words there. Number 4, the Great Wall of China is on. Notice how I use on. Blank wall that was built over 2,000 years ago. Number 5, water is a vital blank for all living organisms on Earth. And number 6, a healthy diet and regular exercise are essential for blank physical and mental health. Number 7, the Amazon rainforest is home to a diverse blank of plant and animal species. You got to put in awesome vocabulary there. Number 8, the invention of the printing press was a blank moment in human history that revolutionized the spread of knowledge. Number 9, the human brain is a blank that allows us to think, feel, and make decisions. Put 1. You might need 2 words here. And number 10, many people enjoy listening to music as a form of blank and relaxation. All right, so those are the 10 sentences. I will post these sentences below, so maybe you should copy them, put them in Google Docs or MS Word or on your phone somewhere. Fill in the blanks with vocabulary. Don't cheat. Try to think of good vocabulary, fill in the blanks, and then post it in the comments section below. It's very boring when I see perfect homework, so do your best. Try some new vocabulary. Don't choose the easy stuff. Try some more advanced vocabulary if you can. And if you use it in an awkward way, that's okay. We're all learning here. All right, that's your homework, and please do your homework.